soporific. It's that hard to see you couldn't find another chick doing it like me. This fashion.
What up, my blushing glams? Saka fit for me. It's your girl Blush, and I'm back with another episode of Glam Chat. Today I wanted to do something just a tad different. It's still gonna be in the realm of fashion and more fashion. I've never actually done an unboxing on my page. I know I've done a couple of hauls, but I've never done an unboxing. And today I wanted to actually share something that I actually got a few months ago. But since we weren't really going out, we weren't really out and about, I never got a chance to wear it. But today I am pulling them out. So before I did, I wanted to go ahead and unbox it with you. Of course, before I move forward with the video, you know the drill. Make sure you're subscribed. Click on that subscribe button. If it's red, you're not part of the Blushing Glams tribe. So make sure you click on it. Make sure it turns gray, and make sure that bell is also clicked. All right, so let's move forward. This is probably gonna be one of my shortest videos. Just like any haul video or any video where we're talking about purchasing something that might be a little bit up in price, I'm always gonna go ahead and try to remember or to remind you guys of the disclaimer. Everybody's finances is different, so make sure before you go out and do any haul, any collective purchases, or any purchases that are above your budget, you check to see where your budget is and if you can do it, if it's worth purchasing. And if it's not, don't do it, because then it's just, it won't be worth it in the end, especially since we're on our financial journey. But like I told you before, if you do want to purchase something that you like and it may be just a little bit more expensive than normal, just make sure you plan efficiently and ahead of time so you can purchase. So, all right, so today, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and be doing a unboxing of some shoes. Y'all know I'm with the ish when it comes to the shoes. I love buying shoes. I love tennis shoes, and I actually went into this store which is called Simon's for I think a pair of shoes. I was trying to look for some shoes for my daughter, and then I came across these shoes because I didn't even find the shoes that I was looking for her, and it didn't have what I was looking for her. But of course, when I saw those, I was like, yo, those look like some exclusive type of shoes. I need to get my hands on them. So if you remember, I believe sometime last year, there was a movie that came out, or a remake of a movie for the Wonderwoman. I think it was called Wonderwoman 1984 or something of the sort. So they actually had a limited edition Wonderwoman with Reeboks. And by the way, I know my subscribe level is not up there, but I think I have enough pairs of Reeboks in my closet that, listen, Reeboks, you need to either be sponsoring something or giving me some type of coupon code. So I guess we could talk about that at another time. So let's just kind of get on to what we're here for, which is the unboxing of these babies. Now, first of all, let's just talk about the packaging. Like, y'all, look at this. Look at this. It looks like a regular schmegular tennis shoes box. Okay. Then we begin to pull out. And y'all, how cute is this? How cute is this? It looks like a tape recorder, or a tape, or cassette tape, or a videotape, or a VHS tape. Y'all, I'm probably telling my age if I mention what the heck that is. But, before there was CDs, before there was streaming, before there was YouTube, we used to watch movies and videos on videotapes, VHS tapes. So I believe this is kind of where that comes from. So anyways, this is how the top of it looks like, right? And then we take the top out. All right, so this comes out, and the shoes are in here. And ta-da! y'all, this to me was so cute. I really couldn't let this pass. And it has like the Wonder Woman thing on the back of it, which is so cute. All right. Now, these, because it has like that metallic thing on it, it may not be the easiest thing to be able to pair with anything. But what I paired it with today was a pair of blue jean skirt. It was like a stonewash, sort of, not really stonewash, but like a light denim blue jean skirt. And this shirt here, okay, my jewelry was pretty much silver, my JBW watch. These are just pretty much some bangles that I got. This is actually off of the Glam Serve website. This I got somewhere in the mall, and I got this Michael Kors bangle from TJ Maxx, I think. This I got off of a website. This I got actually at a beauty supply store, just the letter O. TJ Maxx earrings, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I was able to actually efficiently match the outfit with the shoes. Like, they went perfectly. So I think wearing something all white, if you have something that's gray, anything that's kind of like in the light blue, would definitely go with it. I also did pair it with a Shein purse, like one of those mini purses, like alligator skin purse. It's red, and the reason why I was able to pair it with the shoes is because in the back of the shoes you'll see that it has that red, the red symbol for Wonder Woman on there. I'll actually insert a clip somewhere here where you see where I actually have the shoe on, so you can kind of see it on my foot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think, like I said, this was probably one of the shortest videos I've had before. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe I can do some more unboxing with some other items, and just keep, try to keep just try to keep consistent as possible as I can. But yeah, guys, until we speak again, later.